Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Aero 15.6 Pro Max. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It is basically a monitor with 3 monitors in one. And as you can see, you can fold it up. As you can see, it looks like this one. And my brother also has this, and from personal experience, what I can tell you that it is very useful if you really need the extra monitors, since most of the time you only need one extra monitor. I don't know what reason for you to have 3 extra monitors on top of the monitor that you already have, for example, your laptop. So in total, you have 4 monitors, and it is quite expensive at $400. So if you really need the 3 monitors, it is very worth it. However, the bezels are really huge on this monitor and this monitors. So on these monitors, as you can see, if you zoom in right here, the bezels are really big. It is not a seamless design, and it looks like a bunch of plastic windows taped together. However, it is very useful, and however, the responsiveness is not that good. If you're using this for gaming, I advise you to not use it, since it isn't really made for gaming. But it is very useful, for example, for editing. You can open up multiple different windows and a lot more. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you really need the extra monitors, go ahead. However, if you only need one, please do not buy this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.